Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the nut. This is a 2020 Ram, brand new. So I decided to change the nuts because for me don't looks pretty nice, the black one with silver nut. So that's why I decided with the aftermarket Gorilla nuts. These nuts are very good for this year. Also can be fit in Jeep and Ram models and Durango. So the Gorilla number is 61148CX. In this video I'm going to show you how to replace and how it's gonna look this black Gorilla with the black rims in a 2020 Ram 1500. These are the lug nuts from Gorilla also. The number is 9664DX, which are pretty good, which the set can come with the key, so you can have safe on your wheels.